am competing internationally for my age group under 19s and hoping to go to Europeans and Worlds this year.
Coach Tony, head basketball coach at Wycliffe College, originally from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I can honestly say basketball has been a huge part of my life since a young age.
I really liked the facilities and the whole vibe as a whole was very calming. Everybody was very friendly when I came. Everyone was really nice. Teachers were really friendly. So that really captured me because coming from another country, I was really scared. I was oh, I don't know how they're going to react. But I feel I personally, I really like Wycliffe so far.